Hi, hello guys, welcome to the IS coaching channel. Today we're gonna know about the UPSC CAPF syllabus. CAPF stands for Central Armed Police Force. Agencies like Indo-Tibetan Police, Border Police, Sastra Seema Bal, CISF, CRPF comes under CAPF. The CAPF exam is conducted annually by UPSC. The pattern. It consists of three parts. The first one is written, which have paper 1 and paper 2. Second one is PET, that is physical endurance test. Third one and final, interview. Written examination. The paper 1, general ability and intelligence. The maximum marks awarded is 250. The questions in this paper will be objective type and questions will be in English and Hindi. The paper 2, general studies, essay and comprehension. The paper 2 is divided into two parts, part A and part B. Part A consists of essay and part B consists of object. The maximum marks awarded is 200. In this paper, candidates will be allowed the option of writing the essay component in English or Hindi, but the medium of precise writing, comprehension, component and other communication language skills will be in English only. Second step, physical efficiency test. There are 4 tests. The first one is 100 meters. The males have to complete in 16 seconds and females in 18 seconds. 800 meters race. The males have to complete in 3 minutes 45 seconds. The females in 4 minutes 45 seconds. The long jump. They will have 3 chances. 3 chances. You have to cross 3.5 meters for males and 3 meters for females. Shot put, which weighs around 7.26 kgs. The males have to throw up to 4.5 meters and it will be decided during test for females. Note, pregnancy at the time of PET will be a disqualification. So, pregnant women are not allowed and they are disqualified for physical efficiency test. After completion of physical efficiency test, you will be promoted to interview. Interview. The candidates who are declared qualified in the medical standard test will be called for interview personality test to conducted by Union Public Service Commission. The total marks for interview is 150 marks. Syllabus. The paper 1 of prelims examination consists of general ability and intelligence. The first one, general mental ability. The questions will be designed to test the logical reasoning, quantitative aptitude, including numerical ability and data interpretation. Number 2, general science, GK, static and non-static GK. Current events of national and international importance, current affairs. 4, Indian polity and economy. 5th, history of India, modern and medieval history. 6th, Indian and world geography. Paper 2, general studies, essay and comprehension. The part A, essay questions are to be answered in long narrative forms either in Hindi or English. The total marks awarded is 80 marks for your essay. So out of 150, 80 marks allotted for part A, which is essay. The indicative topics are modern Indian history, especially of freedom struggles, geography, polity and economy, knowledge of security and human rights issues, and analytical ability. The topic for essay may come from these topics. Part B, comprehension, precise writing, other communication language skills, to be attempted in English only. The marks awarded is 120. Sorry, out of 200 marks for paper 2, 80 marks are awarded to essay writing and 120 marks awarded to part B. The topics are comprehension passages, precise writings, developing counter arguments, simple grammar and other aspects of language testings. This is the syllabus of prelims examination. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.